Good am I? In this video, we will learn how to edit audio in Adobe Premiere Pro by using clip and using track. Let's get into it. By the way, this is an earlier project from my film school back then. So shout out to my guy, Yova Grenada, as a director. So we'll jump into Premiere Pro. So before we continue the edit, we'll need to see the footage properties first. Okay, let's see the detail here. So as you see here, the bitrate is 45 megabyte per second and the frame rate is 30 fps full HD. Okay, so make sure your sequence is matched first. Okay, let's see my sequence setting here. Okay, full HD 30 fps, or you can use sequence preset that you create before to make your edit faster. Okay, so let's import the footage. Boom. And let's say I will add denoise effect and parametric equalizer effect in this clip. As you see here, there is something wrong with the audio here. The audio is on the left only because some of the crew is messing up with the jack audio. So, but hey, I will use this footage as example. Okay, so I will use denoise effect to reduce the noise first. So click edit, and because the footage is kind of noisy, I will use like heavy noise reduction. I will use processing focus on every frequency, all frequency, and I will adjust it like 60 or 70% audio noise reduction. Okay. And action. Let's say I will use parametric equalizer effects here and use the vocal enhancer preset. And action. And that's how you usually edit your audio in Premiere Pro, right? And there is easier way by using audio track. So I will show it to you. Make sure you open your audio track mixer first. Okay, click window and audio track mixer. Okay, so here it is. As you see here, this mixer representing every track in Adobe Premiere Pro. So how do I add track effects to this? But first of all, I will delete all the clip effects first. Okay, so you don't have to paste the effects to every single clip when you edit. That's wasting time, you see. So click this button here, boom, and click what effect you want to insert. Okay, denoise, for example, all frequency 60% or 70%. Next effects, parametric equalizer, boom, preset vocal enhancer. So these two effects will affect all the clip on the first track. Okay, so if I want this actor here, this is actor 1 and this is actor 2. So if I want to copy all the effects here to this actor, because the mic is different, let's say the mic is different. Okay, I'm just drag and drop all the effects here. We just copy and paste here. Okay, see, 70% and vocal enhancer, as easy as that. So if you guys have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.